Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix low call volume on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So if you want to fix low volume on call, you can also increase or decrease your call volume during a call with volume buttons on your side of your iPhone. And if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and here click on sound and haptics, and from here you can increase or decrease your call volume. And if it doesn't work, then tap on back key and check for the software updates. Go to general and here click on software updates, and from here update your software to latest version, and after updating restart your iPhone. It will fix your problem. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.